welcome back to Smoky Mountain Traders. This is Shelby. Today we're going to be checking out this 1969 Camaro. As always, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Come on up and check it out. This car has a complete restoration recently finished and features the all-aluminum ZL1 427 engine. Looking across the front, we can see that they did an excellent job with the fit and finish. It features the RS front end with the working hidden headlights. It also has a front spoiler and new bumper installed. As we make our way down the driver's side, we can see that the body lines flow beautifully from the front to the rear. Come on up and let's check out the interior. One of the most recognizable interiors comes together with bucket seats and console with the houndstooth covers. All of this was redone new at the time of the restoration and is stunning. The console is home to the 4-speed shifter and console gauges that are working. This 69 has the deluxe door panels with the new cranks and handles installed. Looking at the dash, we can see it has the factory gauges with the dash pack that are all working down to the clock. The dash pad is new, and we can all see that the wood grain accents tie in perfectly to the sport wheel that's tilted. The headliner and carpet were also installed along with new visors and seal plates. Now that we checked out that beautiful interior, let's make our way around the back. The rear bumper was also replaced new, and we also have the rear spoiler. We can see that the reverse lights are in the rear valance and that we have dual exiting pipes. You'll also notice the ZL1 badging and the new tail light lenses that have been installed. As we make our way around the passenger side, I'm going to take a step back so you can get a better look at this 69. The panel fit on this lady was executed to near perfection, and you can see down the sides are aero straight. The 69 is showcased in the Tuxedo Black paint that has had countless hours spent polishing it to a deep, rich shine that has a mirror finish. The black is accented by the new black vinyl top. The glass on this Camaro is gorgeous and has an excellent fit. The side windows go up and down with ease, and all of the seals and weather stripping looks to be new. To finish off this iconic look, it's sitting on a set of 14-inch GM steel wheels with dog dish hubcaps and Goodyear Polyglas tires. Now that we've been around the exterior, come on up and look at the heartbeat of this Chevrolet. This is where you'll find what will make you the envy of every car show and cruising. The power is straight from GM with an all-aluminum ZL1 427 V8. It's set up with the Snowflake intake with the Holley 4-barrel carb. It's dressed in the factory-style air cleaner and valve covers. The detail under the hood is outstanding, and it's clear that the effort was put into making the finish one of the best you'll see. When you look under it, you'll be nothing short of impressed as all of the body bushings were installed. The subframe and frame rails are all rock solid with no signs of abuse, and the floors are like new. All the suspension is new as well. The 427 runs through the Muncie 4-speed trans and 12-volt rear end. New fuel and brake lines were installed along with the new gas tank. For exhaust, it has new dual pipes with Flow Master mufflers. Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful Camaro with me. Like I said earlier, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call or email us. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media. I'll see you soon.